Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will revise the chapter Computer, its classification. The topic that are going to be covered in this chapter is what is computer, classification of computers according to purpose, according to size. So start with the first topic, that is what is computer. Computer is an electronic machine or device that takes instructions from us and gives the result after processing them. Now computer classification. First according to purpose, second according to size. Now you can see in this chart, according to purpose there are three types of computer: analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. According to size there are five types of computer: supercomputer, mainframe computer, server, microcomputer and mobile devices. So we begin this according to purpose. First is analog computer. It takes different inputs and gives us approximate result after comparison. Example are thermometer, voltmeter, speedometer, etc. The meaning of approximate mean that it is not 100%. It means 99.99%. Now, if I talk about speedometer, sometimes our speed is 40 km per hour, sometimes our speed is 50 km per hour. So there is very much variation between speed in speedometer. Second is digital computer. Digital computer works on the principle of binary mathematics. Binary means 0 and 1. Computer understand only the binary language. Examples are microcomputer, laptop computer, digital wristwatch and calculator. We are moving to the next topic now, hybrid computer. Hybrid computer are the combination of analog and digital computer. Hybrid computer system offers a cost-effective method that is used to perform complex simulations. ECG machines that are used in hospitals to measure the heartbeat of the patient is the big example of hybrid computer. It is also used in weather forecasting. Now we are moving to the next classification according to size. First, supercomputer. It is very big in size. It is very powerful computer as its name. It is very expensive. It is very big in size, uh, like a room. They are found in big organizations. Its process 1 trillion instructions per second. It is basically used in weather forecasting, research labs, and animation movies. Now, second is mainframe computers. It is also a very large and powerful computer, but less than supercomputer. Mainframe computers are first developed by the IBM. It is used to host the multiple operating system at the same time. It is mostly used in scientific research and doing bulk mathematical operations. Now, next is server. Server is the main system which control main computers, hardware, software, and other resources on a network. It provides a centralized storage area for programs, data, and information. It normally used in uh, offices, banks, and schools, etc. Now, the fourth is microcomputer. Microcomputer is often called a personal computer or desktop computer. These type of computer use peripherals such as keyboard, mouse, and monitors are part of a microcomputer system. It is mostly found in offices, homes, and schools. Speed of microcomputer is increasing day by day. These are normally we can see these type of computer in our home also. Now next is mobile devices. Mobile devices is used to store data permanently on memory inside it or on small storage media such as memory cards. Mobile devices are very popular very popular this time. We can carry in a bag or a pocket. Storage of mobile devices are increasing day by day. It can be connected to a PC for exchanging information. Example, laptop computers, tablet PC, smartphones, e-book readers, etc. So, the revision of this chapter is completed. I hope you all are understood. Thank you.